everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook some tasty spaghetti. Hope you will like the recipe, and if you like the video, please do try it at home and please subscribe to my channel. So let's make it now. The things we need to make chicken spaghetti are 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon whole spice powder, 1.5 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 to 3 chopped green chillies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, some chopped carrots, 1 yellow capsicum chopped, 1 red capsicum chopped, 1 orange capsicum chopped, 1 kg boneless chicken cut in small cubes like this. And I already boiled my spaghetti. I boiled it in water and added 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil, and then I boiled them. Now take a pan, add oil and heat it, and then add ginger garlic paste in it. Fry for 1 or 2 minutes and then add your chicken as well. Now I'm going to fry the chicken until it changes its color to white. Just like this. Then I'm adding carrots. Adding all the peppers, so yellow goes first, then orange, and at last it will be red. Mix everything nicely. Then adding green chilies, salt, black pepper powder, chili flakes, adding whole spice powder, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce now, and I've kept 1 for the end, and same 1 tablespoon of vinegar now and rest at the end. Mix. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and keep mixing so the water dries up. And we're done. This is how it should look like. Time to add the spaghetti now. Now the key is mixing. Mix everything very nicely. Now I'm adding rest of the soy sauce and rest of the vinegar. And we're done. Our yummy spicy spaghetti is ready, so take it out in a plate to serve. This is how you're gonna be serving it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you really like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Do give it a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.